So here's how you can update the Google Play services on the Android phone. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So when you go to your settings app like this, and on the main page you can find plenty of different things, but find the apps menu specifically like that. And if you keep on scrolling like this, you will have the ability to see Google Play services, right? So there are also Google Play services for AR, which is kind of specific, but I'm just going to go with the regular services like this. You can see it's installed, and if I tap on the three dots, I can uninstall the updates if I would want to do that, right? But if you want to make sure you are up to date with it, you can scroll below and find the button to open the app details in the store. So this app has been downloaded from the Google Play Store. I can tap on it like this, and if there is anything available like new updates or something, you should be able to find it in here, right? So as you can see, I can only remove the updates. So let me just show you what it would kind of look like, right? The updates have been removed, and now if I would go to the Google Play services and I would go to the section right there, I would have the ability to just get the latest app, right? So you can see kind of like the update would be available, and that's how you can make sure you run the latest version. But I believe that you should be. It's like the default way. Most phones shouldn't really have a problem with it. So let me know if there's something else which kind of complicated the way you use your phone, so perhaps we can fix it together in the upcoming videos as well. But for now, it's going to be about it. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.